Hey guys, Katie here from Trade Ideas, and I'm here to give you this week's new blog recap. So this blog was actually already uploaded on Monday of this week, so if you want to go ahead and read straight to it now, click the link below, visit tradeideas.com/blogs and read for yourself. But if you're looking for more of a shortened review or a recap, just the gist of what it is, keep watching. I got you covered. Stress is a feeling that all traders know way too well. It leads to those illogical, irrational, emotional decisions that we often regret. And that's due to a lack of embodiment or dealing with things in the present moment. That said, I'll be explaining in this article how to start practicing embodiment in a way that works for you, and how to get back to making decisions and solving problems in a more calm, rational, and controlled way once you're back in the present moment. Now, when the stress hormone cortisol takes over, the body kind of goes into a fight or flight, life or death moment, where we are stuck because we cannot make any rational decisions from this place. Now, if the practice of mindfulness is new to you, it's basically just bringing your body out of that fight or flight state, coming back into the present moment, which is so hard for traders especially. Because as traders, or anyone who works in a stressful environment like the stock trading community, we are constantly either in the past looking at mistakes or living in the future thinking about what's to come. So the present is kind of this anomaly that we don't really get to sit in very often. Now, unfortunately, the best, clearest, most logical decisions come from that present moment, but we can't get there until we get the body out of that fight or flight and take back control. We've all had moments where we regret those decisions that we sold too early or bought out of impulse or emotion or fear. That stress, that fight or flight drives us to make these logical decisions, and we need to stop. Now, these mindfulness practices that I explain in this article are easy. They only take up to 5 minutes, and they will improve your mental, physical, and financial health. One of the main examples I use in my article is box breathing. A cyclical breathing technique can be practiced up to an infinite amount of times until you feel that reset in your body. You inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and hold again for 4. This will jumpstart you back to the present moment and calm you down. Practice habitually for the best results.